In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Jamaican Irish mush. So here I have some lovely Irish mush, looking very good. So the thing is, we need to give it a bit of wash. And this is very good, very healthy, full of mineral and vitamins. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour some water over it and make sure you give it a good wash. Because sometimes there's sand on it. So you want to make sure you give it a good wash. So when you're washing this, make sure you don't use hot water. Just give it a good wash, and then we're going to strain it off. And then we're going to give it a second wash. So after you've been washing it properly, just make sure you wash it about 2 to 3 times. After you've done this, I'm going to get a pot. You can soak it overnight. I did have some water on this overnight. So what I'm going to do, just get yourself a small pan, and then I'm going to put the Irish mush in it. So I'll be adding 1 cinnamon stick. So this is going to be easy and simple. Just pour your water in, depends on the amount you want. I'm going to just cover the mass a bit with this, and then I'm going to put it to boil. So the Irish mush is on, so I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to cool it down. I'll take you through the process. Stay tuned. So this here is ready now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it aside and let it cool down. Put it in the fridge. So turn the gas off. So I'm going to cool this down. So after you cool it down, this is what it looked like. So this is the consistency. That's how thick it is. So with this, if you need to make yourself some drink, whether you like milk in it or some lemon, this is like the body part of it. So I'm going to show you how I make mine. So I have my container here. I will be using my stick blender. You can use the normal blender if you want. So I'm just going to put about this in it. I'll be adding a bit of warm water to this because it's very thick. Just go ahead, add yourself some water to this. So I'm putting about just a cup of water. And my next ingredients is I'm just adding some pumpkin seed, but that's personal. You don't have to put that in, but you know, if you want to add some peanut or some isinglass, linseed. This is some vanilla, adding some vanilla. And I'm gonna go in with some nutmeg. Just gonna put some fresh grated nutmeg in this. I'll be adding a pinch of salt. This is Celtic salt. I'm adding to this, just a bit of Celtic salt, just for balance. So the next ingredients I'm going to add a little bit of meringue powder. This is personal preference, but you know, I want this to be packed with nutrient and vitamins and minerals. You know, I'm going for it. So today I'll be using my stick blender instead of the normal blender. But this is really good, really accurate. The next thing what I'm going to add to this, you know, and that's personal preference also, I'm going to put some condensed milk in it. So as I said, the one you're buying it in, to have milk, sugar and stuff in it. So just make it your own. With this you can put peanut in it. Whatever you want to put in it, just make it your own, you know, your own recipe, make it nice. So with this, just do like this. You just gentle blend them out. So now what I'm going to do, and this is personal preference, I'm just going to pass it through. So you can strain it off if you feel like. Personal preference. So now the powerhouse is ready. Just get yourself a bottle. And then we're going to bottle him up. So this one, I'm just going to put this one in the fridge. And I will have some left for myself out of this. So that should be all right. Just pop your lid on. And your Irish mash is ready. Look at that. Look how lovely that is. So this one is for me now, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Wow. Taste. Lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for the time. Please remember to like, share,